Hey everyone! If you're building a Canva doc and want to add a long, sleek, scrollable section like a mock-up, a portfolio, or a vertical banner, you no longer have to hunt through menus. In 2026, you can do it instantly with quick actions. Let's look at how it's done. Step 1. Open a Canva doc. First, make sure you are working in a Canva doc. Scrollable designs are currently a specialized feature for the Docs visual suite. Open your document and click exactly where you want the scrollable element to appear. Step 2. Trigger quick actions. Instead of searching the sidebar, use the 2026 shortcut. Press the / key on your keyboard or click the plus magic icon that appears next to your cursor. This opens the Quick Actions menu, your command center for everything in Canva. Step 3. Select Scrollable Design. In the search bar that pops up, simply type Scroll. Select Scrollable Design from the list. You'll now have two choices. You can create new scroll animation to build one from scratch, or search existing designs to import a project you've already made. Step 4. Design and customize. If you're creating a new one, a dedicated editor window will open. Drag in your elements or choose a Docs with Scrollables template. Once your design is ready, hit Save, and your long-form design will now be embedded as a window within your document that viewers can scroll through vertically. Step 5. Adjust the scroll settings. To fine-tune it, click on your new scrollable block and look for the Settings icon in the floating toolbar. You can toggle on Scroll-Driven Transition to make elements fade or move as the reader scrolls. Remember, in 2026, if you export this as a PDF, only the first page will show, so keep this for your digital live link designs. And that's it, a professional, interactive touch in just a few keystrokes. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.